its hands caress the break of day, where time dissolves and slows its pace, a gentle pull in this quiet space. Let the world melt into the blue, where nothing's frantic, nothing's due. A warm embrace to still the mind, a soothing song the soul can find. The stars are lilting in twilight's glow, as rivers murmur and start to flow. They carry with them the weightless ease to blend with rustling of the trees. A canvas painted in golden hues, where fading whispers shift their views. Each moment held in the palm of night, soft lullabies of fading light. Lay your burdens, let them stray. The world turns softer in this play. No rush to meet the fleeting time, a calm that lingers feels sublime. The burdens, let them stray. The world turns softer in this play. No rush to meet the fleeting time, a calm that lingers feels sublime. The moonlight dips into the sea, a quiet song, just you and me. The waves hum soft, a lullaby. In their embrace we close our eyes. Let it flow, let it go, sink into the undertow. Feel the rhythm of the night, carving peace in twilight's light. The breeze, it whispers on our